Welcome back. Governor of Reserve Bank of India, Raghuram Rajan, has said that some strong steps are needed to facilitate students with education loan. Raghuram Rajan further stated that banks are reluctant to give education loan as students fail to return the loan. Rajan also said that bank facilities should reach to the remote population. Hence, efforts are going on to add post offices into banking arena.
Well, this is such a big, useful investment for the country. Why don't we make student loans relatively cheap, even subsidize them, right? And in fact, student loans are in the priority sector. They're effectively subsidized in this country. But why don't we have more of them? Well, one answer is students don't repay. The level of non-performing assets on student loans is much higher than one would think, given that these students are going out to get degrees. There are ways that we can think about how we can incentivize. I mean, 90% of the people may pay. That 10% which runs away is your 10% NPA, which is unaffordable. So what we need to do is get more of that 10% when they have good jobs to repay. And so we need to think of a better student loan scheme. If every post office outlet has an ability to give you access to the financial system. People who've been watching this lately will recognize that we've opened the licensing process for payment banks. And the idea is that entities that have a presence in every part of the country, for example, a cell phone company or a retailer, maybe every one of the outlets could become a virtual bank, which enables people in remote villages to access the financial system.
Goans for WONI has warned leaders supporting Mopa Airport. GFDO has warned that these leaders will face defeat in next assembly election. Members accused that bypassing the Pollution Control Board, the public hearing report was sent to the MOEF.
Goans for WONI has warned the political leaders of consequences during the next assembly election. Father Ermito said they will defeat such leaders in next election if the Mopa Airport project is not scrapped.
आणि जमीन दिवंक जाय तितूर आमच्या डिफेन्स मिनिस्टरान दिली जितो आदी दुसरे काँग्रेस आसतना दी म्हणून मागतालो ती तर आतां ताणेच दिली जाल्यार आनीक गोंयांत एअरपोर्टाची आमकां गरजूच ना जे सरकार चलयता आनी जे MLA ताका सपोर्ट करता चूप उगी बसून आसा तांकां आमी वॉर्निंग दिता 2 वर्सांनी तुमी लोकांक कशे फेस करतले. And we will come out in the open to see that these people are defeated.
GFDO's Rajendra Kakodkar said airport at Mopa is a 2-stage project.
It should be joint. It's a 2-state project, not 1-state project. As per impact, environment impact, 2 states are covered. So, दोन्ही स्टेटीत ते करपाक जाय आणि एक महाराष्ट्रातली हियरिंग जावपाक जाय त्या भागात. आणि आमच्या पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्डान या हायकोर्टाचा जजमेंटाचे कांयच करूना ताणी बेस्ट EIF जो दिल्लीच्यान आयलो हांगा MOEF कडल्यान ताजे फक्त पब्लीक हियरिंग एक घेतलें एज अ फॉर्मॅलिटी आणि ते हेतूकूच ताणी ते सगळे कंपायल केले आणि धाडले आपलो कांयच विचार करूना. हे पोल्युशन कंट्रोल बोर्ड आमच्या गोंयच्या एक्स चॅकरा कडल्यान पयशे घेवन पगार मेळटा सगळ्यांक तर ताणी तांची ड्युटी कंप्लीट करपाक जाय आशिल्ली ती ताणी करूना.
Reporter Savio dies for Prudent.
One more meat seizure from Goa Express. 5 boxes of beef loaded from Delhi were seized at Margao railway station on Friday. The boxes were abandoned on the station. No one claimed the consignment, hence it was destroyed. Activists against cruelty to animals have demanded strict action against smuggling of meat in Goa through railways. Earlier on Thursday, 6 boxes were seized in Vasco. The meat was disposed of after the health department officials certified that it was not fit for consumption. Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.